Hello everyone, I'm Poonam and I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share one asana which is known as Rajakapotasana or also known as the Pigeon Pose. This asana falls under the third series of Ashtanga Yoga, so it's not a beginner's pose. And many of my yoga students requested me to put a tutorial for this particular asana. So here I am guys with the tutorial of how to get into Rajakapotasana. Before we get into the asana, let me tell you the benefits of this asana. So this is one asana which is very good for opening up your hips, for your inner thighs, for your abdominal organs, and very good for your back bends, very good for your spine basically. And it stretches your spine so nicely, opens up your heart, releases all the stress from your heart, from your neck, from your shoulders, and also from your lower area. Those who are planning to go deeper into splits, this is also one of a very good pose for that preparation. And before getting into an asana, it's very important guys, please warm up your body nicely. Warm up, it doesn't mean that just upper body is required or lower body. It requires like your whole body is engaged. So warm up of whole body is required. And this is one asana which I don't recommend for beginners. So please don't be in a hurry guys and don't hurt yourself to get into this asana. So to begin the pose, we need to get into the downward dog first. Give a nice stretch to your body. And from here, now we fold our right leg and try to keep it just in between both your hands, right? And nicely place your body on the mat. Make sure that the position of this leg should not be like this, right? So you have to keep it firmly on the ground and toes pointing outwards. From here, place your hands nicely. Turn your body this way and gently push your pelvic area towards the floor so that your pelvic area touches the floor nicely, right? Be very careful guys in the beginning. If you're not able to touch it to the floor, please don't push your body too much. Be gentle with your body. Go with the flow, right? Turn your body. Push your pelvic area. Keep your hands here. You can do it 2 to 3 times. Now fold your leg. And in the beginning, try to get it here. Try to touch it to your shoulder. In case possible, to your nose, to your forehead. I like doing that, right? Because this way, it is giving more deeper stretch to your spine also and to your inner thigh also. So it will help you out when you do the complete pose, right? So, stretch. Now hold it here. In the beginning, I don't recommend anyone to go directly into the pose. You take the help of other hand so that your other hand holds your leg by the time you get into the asana, right? Now with this hand, you hold your leg, but make sure that you don't have to hold your leg like this. You have to turn your shoulder nicely and then hold your leg. Okay, release your other hand and firmly place it to the other side. Adjust your posture. Make sure that you are very stable here. And from here, take your other hand. Hold your leg with both your hands. Right? Stable if you feel comfortable here. Slowly, slowly turn your head back. First, lift your head, then release this hand, turn your body a bit, and now don't leave your leg suddenly because it may give a sudden jerk to your lower spine. Take help of other hand, hold it here. Now hold your leg like this and leave it nicely. So I hope you guys enjoyed practicing this Rajakapotasana with me. And please be very careful. stretch your body nicely, warm up your body nicely before getting into this posture. It is one of the most beautiful asanas of yoga. I really love it. In fact, when I started practicing yoga, I used to get really fascinated by this asana, and it somehow became my signature step. So everybody knows that this is my favorite asana. It's my logo also. So I really like this asana. So guys, keep practicing. Lots of love and blessings to you all. Namaste.